which will help you in increasing your knowledge. The giraffe is an African artiodactyl mammal, the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant. It is traditionally considered to be one species, Giraffe camelopardalis, with 9 subspecies. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Males can grow up to 18 feet or 5.5 meters tall. A group of giraffes is called a tower. No one has ever seen a giraffe swimming. Giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period. Giraffes make no sound. Not because they can't, but because they choose not to. The giraffe's neck can measure up to 6 feet or 1.8 meters long. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days. Most of the water comes from all the plants they eat. Giraffe tongues grow up to 21 inches or 53 centimeters in length. A giraffe's spots are like human fingerprints. No 2 individual giraffes have exactly the same pattern. The giraffe's feet are the size of a dinner plate, 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters across. A giraffe's neck is too short to reach the ground, so it has to awkwardly spread its front legs or kneel to reach the ground and drink water. Giraffes can go longer without drinking water than camels can. A giraffe's legs alone are taller than most humans, about 6 feet or 1.81 meters. 50% of giraffe calves do not survive their first 6 months due to predation from hyenas, leopards, and wild dogs. Before mating, the female giraffe will first urinate in the male's mouth. In Mozambique, overhead power lines have to be at least 12 meters or 39 feet high to permit safe passage of giraffes. One of the only vertebrate species that can't yawn is the giraffe. Giraffe is already extinct in at least 7 countries in Africa. Up until 2008, the Santa Barbara Zoo had a giraffe named Gemina that had a permanent 90-degree bend in her neck caused by fused vertebrae. Male giraffes determine if a female is fertile by tasting their urine. The intestines of an adult giraffe measure more than 70 meters or 230 feet in length. The maximum weight of a male giraffe was 1,930 kilograms or 4,250 pounds and 1,180 kilograms or 2,600 pounds for a female. The giraffe's 9 subspecies are distinguished by their coat patterns. Do giraffes have 3 hearts? 3 hearts to be exact. There is a systemic or main heart. 2 lesser hearts pump blood to the gills where waste is discarded and oxygen is received. They work like the right side of the human heart. Why are giraffes amazing? Giraffes are the tallest mammal in the world. Their long legs and necks help them to eat leaves at the top of tall trees that other animals cannot reach. They have long tongues and no teeth at the front of their top jaw, which helps them to rip leaves from branches. Can giraffes bite humans? Giraffes, which are the tallest mammals in the world, are not usually aggressive but have been known to go on the attack if they feel threatened. Their legs can also be dangerous, with a kick from a giraffe quite capable of killing someone. Can giraffes swim? Giraffes are often stated to be unable to swim, and while few observations supporting this have ever been offered, we sought to test the hypothesis that giraffes exhibited a body shape or density unsuited for locomotion in water, the Canadian and British scientists said in their article. Do giraffes have 2 stomachs? Well, giraffes are ruminants, just like cows, sheep, and deer. This means that they have more than 1 stomach. In fact, giraffes have 4 stomachs, with the extra stomachs assisting with digesting food. And you know, giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Why are giraffes so tall? At up to 5.8 meters tall, or 19 feet, giraffes are the tallest animal on land, thanks to their unusually long necks. This idea has been around since 1809, when French naturalist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck suggested that the giraffe's long neck evolved from its continual striving to reach food. How fast can giraffes run? They can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Can giraffes bend their necks? Even worse, giraffes can't simply bend their necks forward. They must awkwardly splay their forelegs and bend their knees before they can lower their necks to the ground for a drink. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days to survive the savannah. What animals are taller than a giraffe? Elephants are plenty big and pretty tall too. Next to the giraffe in terms of height is the elephant, specifically the African bush elephant, or Loxodonta africana. Males of this species have a shoulder height of 10.5 to 13 feet. How strong are giraffes' necks? Their necks tend to average about 6 feet long, and supporting such a length requires powerful muscles and big bones. That causes their necks to be heavy, usually between 500 and 600 pounds. Why are giraffes' tongues black? The darker color is a result of the extra melanin that is present. It helps to prevent sunburns and can protect them. The end of their tongue tends to be black and maybe more pink or purple near the top, since that portion is not as exposed to the sun. The melanin acts as a sort of natural sunscreen. How tall is a female giraffe? Giraffes are the tallest land animals. Female giraffes are up to 14 feet tall and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Meanwhile, males are up to 18 feet tall and can weigh 3,000 pounds. Which animal has the longest neck? Among living animals, adult bull giraffes have the longest necks, capable of reaching about 8 feet or 2.4 meters long. No other living creature exceeds half this length. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos.